こんにちは。今日はすき焼きを作ります。
Hi, we're going to make sukiyaki.
まず最初に割り下を作ります。醤油 200cc。
She's putting soy sauce in there.
200cc。
200cc, 200 milliliters.
Okay. みりん 200cc。
Is that 200 as well?
はい、200cc です。みりんです。
That's mirin.
みりんがない場合は、蜂蜜を入れてください。
Oh, so if you don't have mirin, you can use honey instead.
そう。あとは砂糖。
Sugar.
砂糖は大さじ3。
3 tablespoons of sugar?
これを割り下と言います。割り下。よく混ぜてください。これは後で使います。
Oh, so you're going to put it aside for now.
はい、火をつけます。
Oh, turn on the burner?
油を入れます。
That's some kind of vegetable oil, right?
はい。油を全体に混ぜます。
Oh, you've taken a paper towel in the chopsticks and you're spreading the oil everywhere on the pan.
はい。まずネギから炒めます。
Oh, we're going to put leeks in now.
ネギを最初に炒めるのは匂いを出すためです。
Oh, I bet you it's like onions. You're putting them in for the flavor, aren't you?
玉ねぎを少し炒めます。
Now we got to let them cook a little bit, right?
どうぞ。
Thank you. Let's try that again. Fresh. Super fresh.
固まっただからね。
Yeah, you just got them from the store. They're very fresh. That's why they keep jumping out of the pan.
そう。ネギの表面に色がついたら横に置きます。
Oh, because it's done, you're going to take it out of the pan.
トングで取ってください。
Oh, you want me to help with the tongs? Okay. This is the part where we fast forward. And just, you show it, but you show it really fast.
ネギは一度横に置きます。次にお肉を炒めます。
Oh, you need to add more oil before you do meat.
お肉を炒めます。
Gonna add the meat. The meat's cut pretty thin. It must take a lot of skill to cut it that thin.
薄いお肉はカナダで売っていないので、大きなブロックを買ってスライサーで切りました。
Oh, you want me to say it? Yes, I did use the meat slicer and cut it. Right, because it's not easy to get thinly sliced meat here. We had to buy it as a roast and slice it with a meat slicer.
肉に火が通ってきたら、さっきの割り下を入れます。
Now it's time to add the mixture that we added before. Oh, when the meat's cooked halfway, that's when we add the sauce?
よく混ぜてください。
Yeah, we need to make sure that the sugar is all dissolved.
火を弱火にします。
Oh, you're going to turn the heat down to low.
で、野菜を入れます。ネギをここに入れてください。
Oh, you want me to take the leeks and add it onto one half of the pan. There's meat on the other half.
マッシュルームも入れます。お肉や野菜は後から足すので、全部を最初から料理しなくても大丈夫です。
Right, we don't have to cook everything right now because we can add more as we eat.
豆腐取ってください。
This is toasted tofu.
固めの豆腐を買ってバーナーで焼きました。
Fire. Basically the same as creme brulee. You just kind of want to toast the top.
両方焼きます。
We're also going to toast the bottom.
バーナーで焼き色をつけます。
Now we're going to burn the other side. If you don't have one of these burners, I highly suggest Princess Auto, which, if you're watching from Canada, is a wonderful chain of basically a toy store for men.
よく行くよね。
Yeah, exactly.
豆腐は固めの豆腐を買ってください。
Yeah, firm tofu works much better. I have a feeling if I did this with soft tofu, it would just kind of melt.
豆腐を入れます。
Now I'm going to add the tofu.
途中で少しかき混ぜます。
We need to make sure that everything is cooked thoroughly.
白滝がある人は入れてください。
Yeah, shirataki would definitely be good in here if you can get them.
白滝を入れる場合は肉から離れた場所に入れてください。近くに入れるとお肉が硬くなってしまいます。
Really? Oh, so if we use shirataki, which is a yam noodle, you don't want to put it beside the meat because it'll make the meat hard.
途中で豆腐をひっくり返します。
Oh, you're going to flip all the tofu to make sure it all gets some of the flavor. 日本ではすき焼きの鍋というのがあります。カナダではすき焼きの鍋がないのでカスタイアイロンを使います。 Cast iron is really good at retaining heat, so it makes a very good implement for making sukiyaki. What do they use in Japan?
すき焼きの鍋。
Nabe.
すき焼きだけの特別なお鍋があるんだよ。
Oh, so it's only for sukiyaki.
野菜に全部火が通ったら出来上がり。食べましょ
Ready to eat?
う。いただきます。すき焼きを食べるときは生卵を割ってつけて食べるんだ。でもカナダの卵は
Not as fresh.
卵はあまり新しくないので嫌な人はただそのまま食べてね。
You only want to do that if you know that the egg is really fresh.
じゃあ食べよう。いきます。おいしい。
Delicious.